Hey guys, welcome back to Anushobbylobby. If you are new to my channel, please do consider to subscribe, and if you like this video, please do share, like and comment as well. I'll be sharing more of cooking videos along with gardening and DIY activities as well. So we are here in the strawberry farm. It's a local tour which I'm sharing here. So I hope you enjoy looking at this farm tour video, and I'll also be sharing the strawberry recipes in my next videos. So please do leave a comment if you're interested, and do watch and enjoy this farm tour. So we came over on a weekend, and we enjoyed hand-picked strawberries. So this is a huge farm, and apart from strawberries, we also have seen some vegetables and local stores as well. So I'll be sharing all the details in this video. So hope you enjoy watching this tour, and leave a comment as well if you're interested to see more such videos on my channel. So here we started picking up the strawberries, and it's a great activity, especially for kids. They are actually very excited looking at the fresh strawberries, hand-picked ones, and this looks so beautiful and fresh. And making any recipes with the garden vegetables or fruits will be always very good and tasty as well. So these are the bunch of strawberries that we picked from the garden, from the farm. And apart from the strawberries, as I've said earlier, like there are a few vegetables as well, like cabbage, lettuce, red cabbage, as well as cucumbers, sunflowers. So we have seen a lot of vegetables as well apart from strawberries. So we took vegetables as well from the local stores. As you can see, many small stores here, like the fresh smoothies or ice creams they are selling, and indoor plants as well in one of the store. And finally we got some fresh coconuts. So as it's summer, it's good to have coconut water, like at least twice a week or even every day. Then we are back home with this bag of vegetables and strawberries. So these are our fresh strawberries that we picked, and also I've got honey. It's a local raw honey. It was tasting so yummy. And this fresh beans, I just made vegetable pulao, which I shared earlier on my channel as well. I'll be leaving all the comments in the description box. And then I enjoyed this coconut water immediately after coming home, and then I washed all the vegetables in the salt water along with some distilled vinegar, as during this COVID situation from last 1 year or so, I've been following this process whenever I get any vegetables or fruits, and sanitize everything, and then we'll keep it in the refrigerator if needed. So it's better to do it immediately once you get it, even if it's from the farm which we picked from the garden. It's very good to clean it and keep it. And then I prepared all these delicious dishes using the strawberry as the main ingredient. So if you like it, please do leave a comment. I'll be sharing all these recipes in my next video. So do let me know your valuable comments in the comment section, and if you subscribe to my channel, please leave a comment saying I subscribed, and don't forget to click on notification bell as well. If you like this video, please like and share, and thank you very much for watching.